Hello everyone, this is Prashant. Welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to see a third demo, auto healing. Take an example, your developer changed some locator. It is failing your script. So what you will do, either you will do manually go and find the locator and fix it. Otherwise you will find the locator and ask your Cloud or ChatGPT to update the script. So this and all is manual work, right? But our AI, but our LevelUp AI. This LevelUp AI is once the failure is happened, our rule engine identify where is the failing. Next, it will analyze your DOM where the changes happens. Next, it will analyze your repository intelligence. Then we'll do the candidate ranking. After the ranking, we will validate. Once the healing got success, then you will create a single minute PR. So everything happens in a minute. So I'm going to show a demo right now. Let's go. You guys see, so this is the script. Okay. So the actual locator, this is the actual page which we're taking for testing. Okay. So when I see the locator, this is the locator. So the username has, data set, everything it has. I'm going to make a failure here. Okay. I'm going to change as underscore like. So see this, here I'm deliberately making as a failure. So I'm commenting this changes. So right now the script will automatically get failed. So this is our healing page. We simply here you can run all your workflows. Okay. So I'm simply running the workflow, taking the main branch and simply running it. So it will automatically trigger your workflow here. If you see, I triggered there. See this? It automatically trigger your GitHub actions from our platform. Okay. And right now it is processing. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. And literally see, still now I didn't mention any AI. So still there is no AI yet. AI is our last hope. Okay. The first we have all our intelligence, whatever we gathering from the repository, from the application, everything. And if it is failing, then only we go for AI. Okay. So right now the execution is going on. See right now the execution got failed because obviously no, because we intentionally make it as failure. So I'm going to click on this heal failure. So what will happen? Our LevelUp AI will gather the failure artifacts and your DOM, latest DOM changes, all the locators in the DOM. Then it will analyze your repository where the exact failure is occurred. See how much time it going to take. And if you see, there are so many locator options for every field. So we will rank based upon your existing framework, and which is getting the highest rank, we will select that locator and we heal that using that locator. See now it got healed. Okay. So we got the fix. So the see, I gave a wrong locator, but our LevelUp is understand, and this see this, our layer one is rule engine, not AI. The AI is the third layer. So first we have a rule engine, then pattern, third one is the AI. Okay. Right now successes happen on the layer one itself. Now I'm going to simply create a PR. See the PR got created. Come to the repo. Here you will see this is the PR which created right now. And let's see the file, coding file. So previously it was this. Right now the LevelUp AI is auto healed and updated the latest one. Okay. Here I'm going to simply merge this PR and I'm going to run again to show you. Okay. So right now I merged the changes. Now go to the script again. I'm going to run the workflow once again. So every time it will take the directly, we will using our GitHub APIs, we will take the latest code from the main and we will queue it and we will execute and shows the results. And take an example. So LevelUp AI does not stop generating sessions. Okay, it analyzes the failure, where the failure happens, validates the repair, like how, what are the different ways of locators we finding, and repair that, and create a pull request, and hand it over the developers to verify fix. And see, this is the gold trail. I didn't do any changes. We are giving the users the PR. The user will review it. This is the guardrail security. Okay, we won't change the code. We will give you the new PR. There the person will review it. Okay, then they will merge it until you get a confidence. We are the flag also. If in the future you are giving access to the merge also, now we do the merge. But initially for the security purpose, you only going to review the code and merge it. See, right now the code got passed because we fixed the failure. Okay, this is the LevelUp AI. So right now we are literally looking for the Copilot customers. You will work with us. We will give you a product and give the feedback, and you are going to work with the in our roadmap. Okay, so we are going to hit the production enterprise sooner. So we are expecting any developers, any UX people, or any ML people to contribute in the development of this product. And you want to be part of LevelUp AI in future, please be put in the comment section. And if you want to implement this product or demo in your company, please feel free to access it. Okay, and I'm going to plan giving the trainings, LevelUp training. So you guys are, if you new for AI world in the QA thing, you will get a certificate. And if you want to do this free course and get certified as a LevelUp AI product guy, please post in the comment section. I'm planning to do one official training session every month, so to train so many people to easily use this product and use of a product as a QA employee. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please share with your companies, managers, CEOs, CTOs, and with the friends. Thanks for watching.